Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Vegetables are among the most nutrient-rich foods we can include in our diet. But there is an interesting question that many people ask: is it better to eat vegetables raw or cooked? You may have heard that raw vegetables preserve more of their natural nutrients. At the same time, scientific research shows that cooking can actually make certain nutrients and beneficial plant compounds easier for the body to access. So, have you been eating your vegetables the best way? Today, we're comparing raw vegetables and cooked vegetables to discover what nutritional science tells us. And by the end of this video, we'll reveal the approach that may help you get the best of both worlds. Let's begin with what actually happens when vegetables are cooked. Vegetables are made of plant cells surrounded by structural components that help maintain their shape. When vegetables are heated, cooking softens their tissues and changes their cellular structure. This is why a raw carrot is firm and crunchy, while a cooked carrot becomes softer. These changes can influence how easily certain nutrients and plant compounds become available during digestion. For some vegetables, cooking can help release beneficial compounds from the plant's cellular structure, potentially making them easier for the body to absorb. For other nutrients, especially certain water-soluble and heat-sensitive vitamins, eating vegetables raw or lightly cooked can help preserve more of their original content. A good example is vitamin C. Many vegetables, including bell peppers, broccoli, and leafy greens, contain vitamin C. Because vitamin C is sensitive to heat and can dissolve in water, prolonged cooking, particularly boiling, can reduce the amount that remains in the vegetable. This means that eating some vitamin C-rich vegetables raw or lightly cooked can be an excellent way to preserve more of this important nutrient. But now, let's look at the other side of the story. Cooking can actually improve the availability of certain beneficial plant compounds. Take tomatoes, for example. Tomatoes are well known for containing lycopene, a carotenoid responsible for much of their red color. Cooking tomatoes can help break down their cellular structure, making lycopene more available for the body to absorb. Carrots provide another interesting example. Carrots contain beta-carotene, a carotenoid that the body can convert into vitamin A. Cooking carrots can soften their plant tissues and increase the accessibility of beta-carotene during digestion. This means that when it comes to nutrition, raw does not automatically mean better, and cooked does not automatically mean better. The nutritional advantage depends on the vegetable, the nutrient, and how the food is prepared. And this brings us to one of the most important parts of the comparison, the cooking method. Steaming, microwaving, boiling, roasting, and sautéing can affect vegetables differently. Because some vitamins are water-soluble, boiling vegetables in large amounts of water can allow some nutrients to move from the vegetable into the cooking liquid. However, when that liquid becomes part of the meal, as it does in soups and stews, some of those nutrients can still be consumed. Shorter cooking methods that use relatively little water, such as steaming or microwaving, can often help retain many nutrients while still making vegetables softer and enjoyable to eat. Another fascinating factor is dietary fat. Certain plant compounds, including carotenoids such as beta-carotene and lycopene, are fat-soluble. Eating carotenoid-rich vegetables with a modest amount of dietary fat can support their absorption. For example, combining cooked tomatoes with a small amount of olive oil creates more than just a flavorful meal. The cooking process can increase lycopene availability, while the dietary fat can support the absorption of fat-soluble compounds. So, which one wins, raw vegetables or cooked vegetables? For preserving vitamin C and certain heat-sensitive nutrients, raw or lightly cooked vegetables may have an advantage. For increasing the accessibility of certain carotenoids, such as lycopene in tomatoes and beta-carotene in carrots, cooking can offer an advantage. For people who enjoy crisp textures and fresh flavors, raw vegetables can be an excellent choice. For people who prefer softer textures, cooked vegetables can provide another enjoyable and nutritious option. Based on the nutritional evidence, my choice would be a combination of both. Rather than choosing exclusively raw or exclusively cooked vegetables, including vegetables prepared in different ways can help provide a diverse range of nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. A fresh salad at lunch, steamed vegetables with dinner, roasted carrots, or a tomato-based sauce can all contribute something valuable to an overall balanced diet. There are also a few important points to remember. Fresh vegetables that will be eaten raw should be washed thoroughly under clean running water and handled using appropriate food safety practices. Cooking and preparation methods also influence the final nutritional profile of a meal, including the amount of added salt, sauces, oils, and other ingredients. Individual dietary needs and digestive tolerance can vary. People with specific medical conditions or specialized dietary requirements can speak with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Vegetables are nutritious foods that support a balanced dietary pattern, and they are best considered as part of an overall healthy lifestyle rather than as replacements for appropriate medical care. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Now, I would love to hear from you. How do you prefer your vegetables, raw or cooked? And is there one vegetable you always prefer prepared a certain way? Please share your answer in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this science-based comparison and found it informative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more science-based nutrition content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.